Hi, Milorad here. Today I'm going to make my OMAD 1 meal a day meal, and it's going to be some Asian fare. Still don't know what yet, but just came from Asian market here in Richardson, Texas. I bought lots of stuff. Now I need to decide what I'm going to cook for today's meal. I'm back, and I decided to cook today. I have this fresh Thai style rice noodles. We will use only a little bit of it. I have baby bok choy. I will use only one. And we have these white beech mushrooms. Never tried that before. They look good. I will use that. And then here we have onions, we have garlic, we have ginger, we have one pepper, and we have thyme, and I will probably use this thyme for garnish. And here we have this red pepper hot sauce. I like hot food. We have soy sauce. We have Thai fish sauce. And here we have some ground cloves. We have ground cumin. We have basil, dry basil, and we have turmeric. And these are spices that I'm going to use in today's cooking. I will actually blanch this bok choy, and then I will transfer everything and stir fry everything together. Let's go start cooking. I'm just cutting the bottom of these mushrooms. When they're grown, because I don't need to use that. There may be some dirt in it. There you can see that's where they attach to the dirt when they're growing. We are ready to start cooking. I have here pan, and I have avocado oil that we're going to use. We have oil in the pan, and first thing we will put some diced garlic and ginger and one sweet pepper, also diced. I need every little bit of it. Wow, it's already starts smelling good, huh? Now I'm adding these blanched bok choy. First I'm adding stems, and then later I will add the leaves as well. And also here we have some chopped onion. I will saute this just a little bit, just the onion to get translucent. And here, as you can see, we have those noodles. Those noodles don't need to be cooked. I just put them in that warm water that I blanched bok choy, and it can stay there for 5 to 10 minutes and it will be ready. Now we need to add the rest of bok choy. And of course, I will make a little bit of space here for my mushrooms. Okay, that's cooking nicely. I don't need anything else except start making that sauce. Now I need to start seasoning. I will put some pepper and a little bit of salt. And now I'm going to put some basil, dry basil leaves. These are cloves, ground cloves. This is the ground cumin. And this is ground turmeric. It's beautiful color. Now I will start adding, this is soy sauce. This is Thai fish sauce. And we have organic red pepper hot sauce. I think that's it. Wow. Aroma is just incredible. And it's time to put noodles in. It looks like lots of noodles, even I just used maybe 4 ounces, maybe even less. This is off. Everything's already cooked. It just need to be incorporated. Is it too hot for you to breathe?
Yeah, a little bit.
My fresh Thai noodles are ready. Now I'm just going to plate it and taste it. I'm ready to plate my dish for today. Wow, they smell so good. Wow, looks good. Tasting my Thai fresh noodles with bok choy and mushrooms. And let's see. Bok choy is still crispy.
And the mushrooms?
Noodles are just fantastic. Let me try this mushroom. Oh. Now all three together. This is just fantastic food. I'm enjoying it too much. It's I think I'm going to switch to Asian food after this. It's just beautiful, very tasty food. And I'm glad I did. It is experiment. There's no name for this dish. It's just completely improvisation, but I love it. I love it so much. I'm going to enjoy the rest of it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more impromptu cooking and other stuff that I put on my YouTube channel. Milorad, out. Mushrooms are really good, chewy. Fantastic.